at that place. Some food also is from Southern Song Dynasty. So it's a same part, kind of like that, because local people really proud of this Southern Song Dynasty. So actually, about history, I only want to say this, because for the history, maybe you're not very familiar. I think when you come to China, when you travel one city, you should remember the most special thing about this city. A lot of people, I took a lot of group. A lot of guests will tell me, at the end of trip, they will tell me, Jason, this day we visited a lot of city in China, but I'm sorry, now I don't forget any of this city. We cannot remember. We'll forget about those cities. We forget which place we have been to. So that's very normal. Why? Because for all those cities, for you, it's not. It's very strange. Maybe it's the first time you come here, so it's very difficult for you to remember this city. So I think when you come to Hangzhou, you should remember the most special thing about Hangzhou, so you can remember this city. So now I'm gonna tell you something special about this city. When you come to Hangzhou, just remember, we have a two number one, two third one here. Two number one, two third one. First number one, now we are going to see. It's a lake. It's a lake. The name of this lake is the West Lake. Why we call it the West Lake? Very simple reason. Located in the western part of the city, so we call it the West Lake. Not very complicated. For this lake, not very big, 5.6 square kilometers. Not very depth, not very deep. The average depth is only 2 meters. But it's the most beautiful West Lake in all of China. In all of China, we have a 36 West Lake in all of China. But West Lake in Hangzhou ranking the number one. It's the most beautiful one. So almost all the tourists, if you come to Hangzhou, the other thing maybe you don't want to see, but for this lake you have to see. You have to see. So now we are going to this West Lake. We're gonna spend a boat cruise. We will have a boat cruise on this West Lake. This boat cruise will last for 30 to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. Goes around the lake and show you the most beautiful view about this lake. So first thing now, we're going to the West Lake to take a boat cruise first. Take a boat cruise first. More information about the West Lake later, because on the boat, I will tell you more information. So later on the boat, I'm afraid maybe it's not only our group. As I've told you, now for the West Lake, a lot of tourists will go to there to take a look. So maybe later on the boat, there will be a lot of group. If you want to hear something about the West Lake, so please sit together so I can tell you some information, some beautiful story about this West Lake. Okay? This is the first number one. First number one. The second number one here is a green tea produced here. The name of this green tea is a Dragon Well green tea. This is our national tea, I have to say. If you know something, you want to know something about China, first, do you know the national flag of China? Do you know? I think the Chinese people here will know, but maybe for some foreigners, you don't know. I will tell you. Actually, it's a flag, red background with a 5 yellow star. That's our national flag. We call it 五星红旗, 5-star flag. 5-star flag. That's our national flag. And the national cigarette of China. Do you know which it is? National cigarette. For smoking. Don't tell me it's Marlboro. I'll be very angry. So actually, the name of the cigarette, it's a brand, very famous brand. The name is a Panda. Panda. Yellow package. One package, 2 cigarette, 20 cigarette inside. One package costs you 90 yuan. 90 yuan. But you should know actually Marlboro in China only 10 yuan. So that's our national cigarette. That's very special. Then the national one national alcohol of China.